Well done, Homo sapiens. Yes, that's us, the modern human. We avoided extinction and thrived, but how different were these early human species from us? Really? Watch the video to find out.
Our journey begins in East Africa, millions of years ago. Here roamed Australopithecus afarensis, more ape-like than us, yet on the path to becoming human. They were a crucial link in our evolutionary chain. Imagine a creature 3 to 4 feet tall, covered in hair with long arms and a protruding face, more at home in the trees. They climbed with ease, using their strong limbs to navigate the forest canopy. Their brains were a third the size of ours, yet they were intelligent enough to adapt and thrive. They navigated their environment and survived, leaving behind footprints that tell their story. The most famous individual is Lucy, discovered in 1974. Her nearly complete skeleton provided invaluable insights. Her bones told a story of a species that walked upright, a significant step towards modern human locomotion. Australopithecus afarensis were primarily vegetarian, relying on the rich vegetation around them. They foraged for fruits, roots, and tubers, using their knowledge of the environment to find food. Their lineage continued for generations, passing down traits and knowledge. Eventually, they gave rise to new human species, marking the dawn of a new era in our evolutionary history. Roughly 2 million years ago, we encounter Homo habilis. This species marks a pivotal moment in human evolution, the emergence of toolmaking. Homo habilis used sharpened stones to butcher carcasses and dig for roots. Their name, Homo habilis, means handy man, a testament to their tool-making prowess. Their brains, though larger than Australopithecus, were still smaller than ours. Yet they possessed the cognitive ability to problem-solve and pass on knowledge. Homo habilis took those first steps into a future shaped by technology.
Homo rudolfensis, a species that lived alongside Homo habilis, presents a puzzle. Our knowledge of them is incomplete, gleaned from fossils found in Kenya and Malawi. A skull, larger than that of Homo habilis, hints at a larger brain capacity. The few fossils suggest a species bigger and more robust than Homo habilis. Their teeth were larger, suggesting a diet that included tougher plant matter. Did they use tools? What was their social structure like? These questions intrigue scientists. Homo rudolfensis reminds us that the human family tree is complex and branching. About 1.89 million years ago, Homo erectus emerged, destined to walk out of Africa. Taller and more robust, they were a significant leap in human evolution. They possessed a wanderlust that altered human history, driven by an insatiable curiosity and a need to explore new horizons. Their long legs carried them across vast terrains, from the heart of Africa into the far reaches of Asia and Europe. They were the first to venture beyond the African continent, driven by climate change, which altered their habitats, and an innate curiosity to discover what lay beyond the horizon. Homo erectus had larger brains compared to their predecessors, allowing for advanced learning and better adaptation to diverse environments. They formed communities and shared knowledge. They crafted sophisticated tools like hand axes, cleavers, and scrapers, which significantly improved their hunting techniques and food processing methods. Their mastery of fire was a groundbreaking achievement, providing warmth, protection from predators, and a revolutionary way to cook food, which made it more digestible and nutritious. Homo erectus left an indelible mark on our planet, with their settlements and tools scattered across continents, embodying the spirit of exploration and the relentless human drive to push boundaries and discover new frontiers.
Homo ergaster, a contemporary of Homo erectus, was distinct in its own right. Slender and agile, they were well suited for hot, arid environments. Their long limbs allowed them to cover vast distances in search of food and water. Their skulls had thinner brow ridges, hinting at the intricate web of evolution. They crafted sophisticated hand axes and cleavers, showing a deep understanding of their environment. These tools were crafted with precision, suggesting an emerging sense of aesthetics. The coexistence of Homo ergaster and Homo erectus raises questions about their interactions and competition. On the Indonesian island of Flores, Homo floresiensis thrived as recently as 50,000 years ago. These small humans, standing no taller than a meter, were a result of island dwarfism. Despite their size, they were skilled hunters, using stone tools to bring down prey. They hunted stegodon, a now extinct elephant relative, showcasing their ingenuity. Their brains, though small, exhibited complex cognitive abilities. They crafted tools, controlled fire, and may have had a rudimentary form of language. The discovery of Homo floresiensis in 2003 challenged our understanding of human evolution.
Homo heidelbergensis emerged around 600,000 years ago, thriving in Africa, Europe, and possibly Asia. They were taller than their predecessors, with larger brains for abstract thought and problem-solving. Masters of fire, they used it for warmth, protection, and cooking. They constructed shelters, fostering a sense of community. Their tools allowed them to exploit a wider range of resources. They exhibited early signs of symbolic thought and ritual behavior. Homo heidelbergensis paved the way for the emergence of more sophisticated human species. In Atapuerca, Spain, Homo antecessor fossils provide clues into early humans in Europe nearly 1 million years ago. Their faces were strikingly similar to ours, yet with subtle differences. They were skilled hunters, using tools to bring down large game. Their ability to adapt to varied environments speaks to their resourcefulness. Cut marks on their bones suggest the possibility of cannibalism. Homo antecessor provides a glimpse into the lives of our European ancestors.
In 2015, the discovery of Homo naledi in South Africa added complexity to our evolutionary story. They had a blend of primitive and modern features, with small brains and human-like skulls. Their hands had curved fingers for climbing and a precision grip for tool use. The deliberate placement of their remains suggests intentional burial. This practice raises questions about their cognitive abilities. Their small stature and mix of traits make Homo naledi an enigma. Their discovery highlights the mosaic nature of evolution. Neanderthals, our closest extinct relatives, thrived in Ice Age Europe and Western Asia. Their stocky builds and larger noses were adaptations for conserving heat. They crafted sophisticated tools for hunting and processing hides. Their caves, adorned with paintings and hearths, offer glimpses into their social lives. They showed compassion, caring for individuals with disabilities. Neanderthals interbred with our ancestors, leaving a genetic legacy in modern humans. Their story reminds us of the interaction and interbreeding that shaped our evolution. In the Altai mountains of Siberia, a finger bone revealed the existence of Denisovans. Their story is pieced together from fragments of bone and DNA. They lived alongside Neanderthals and early modern humans, intermingling genes. Denisovans contributed to the genetic diversity of modern populations, especially in Melanesia. Their legacy lives on in the high-altitude adaptations of Tibetans. Denisovans challenge our traditional notions of human evolution. Their existence highlights the power of genetics to unveil our past. The Harbin skull, unearthed in China in 1933, represents a potential new human species, Homo longi. This discovery has captivated scientists and the public alike, as it opens up new possibilities in our understanding of human ancestry. This massive skull has sparked debate and intrigue in paleoanthropology. Researchers are meticulously studying its features to determine its place in the human family tree. Its features blend primitive and derived traits, leading to differing interpretations. Some characteristics are reminiscent of ancient human species, while others are more modern. Some believe it represents a distinct lineage, while others suggest it may be a variant of Neanderthals or Denisovans. This ongoing debate highlights the complexity of human evolution. The discovery of Homo longi could rewrite our understanding of human evolution in Asia. It indicates that multiple human species may have coexisted and interacted in this region. It suggests a greater diversity of human species on the continent. This diversity challenges previous notions and encourages further exploration and study. The Harbin skull serves as a reminder that the past is not static, and each discovery can challenge our assumptions. As we uncover more, our understanding of human history continues to evolve, revealing the intricate tapestry of our origins.
As we've journeyed through time, we've encountered a stunning array of diversity. From Homo floresiensis to Neanderthals, each species offers a unique glimpse into human evolution. Our existence is but one chapter in a grand narrative, shaped by natural selection, migration, and interbreeding.